So I wanted to share with you some special insights that I've learned, again, from my errors of ways, from scar tissue, from doing it wrong, of how to really maximize the benefits from a detox. So I have a couple little short videos here to kind of help you guide through that. So first thing I want to talk about is some of the dietary things. First thing is there'll be a couple days of no meat. So this will be the 4 days in the middle. So the purpose of actually decreasing meat is actually helping your digestive system slow down and actually being able to take a break from digesting proteins. Proteins are very hard and very expensive for your body to actually break down. So giving it a break in that 4-week window right in the middle of a detox really goes a long way. The other thing is if you want to, just recently I started incorporating even a whole fasting day in the middle of those the vegetable days, in the middle of those 4 days and stuff. I actually have a day or 2 days that I actually completely fast for 24, 48 hours. So that's a high level, that's like an elite level detoxer. That also helps out for a lot of extra cellular debris. A lot of apoptosis happens during that time. It kills off a lot of damaged cells and stuff. Really helps reset insulin levels to actually be doing that way. So that's why it's very beneficial, but you have to, I wouldn't do that for the very first time you detox, but that could be something the second, third, or even fourth time you do a detox is actually add in 24, 48 hour complete fast, just taking your supplements and stuff, and it goes really to the next level. The other question we always get is dairy and stuff. I'm a general person. Generally, you probably should stay away from dairy no matter what. Stay away from milk, stay away from a lot of your cheeses, a lot of things on that end of it. Cottage cheese, yogurts and stuff, most yogurts are actually unhealthy. So especially this program is really highly recommended you actually stay away from dairy. So that's also a part of the program. So really hit the vegetables hard. Try to figure out as many ways as you get vegetables into your body. Grains and stuff, again, you want to really limit those, or if you can completely eliminate those and stuff. So it would actually be really beneficial if you can get away from grains. Yes, your body can survive without having corn, without having some type of different starches and stuff, pastas and all that stuff. So definitely stay away from it. Just try to get away from it. I know there's a lot of them that actually are gluten-free. Those are okay or better, but they're usually not better than nothing at all. So if you can stay away from it and teach your body and teach yourself how to cook with vegetables, not the different grains, would be actually much better. So those are just some little insights as far as the dietary things, and also even how to take it to the next level. Some other few little tricks when you're talking about food prep to really help you through this and maximize your results is actually preparing ahead of time. We really encourage our patients and stuff to make food before they even start the detox, especially a lot of the soups and stuff that are actually in our recipe thing. Those can be made days before, just have them in the refrigerator. So again, it's very easy to pull them out, eat something that's fresh, because most of the cravings will happen when your body's really looking for some type of food. It's changing, it's elevating through the healing process. It's going to actually look for energy sources, and you're going to sometimes feel really tempted to grab some quick things like we've done in the past, whether it's candy, whether it's fruit and stuff, your body really shouldn't have. So if you have stuff prepared ahead of time and you just eat more vegetables and stuff, so maybe chop up some vegetables, have them ready for some little snack things. Also too is, like I said, have some soup ready so you can have a small little bowl of soup if you have some cravings. Like I said, it's not quantity of food, it's the quality of food that you're eating is going to be the biggest difference. So eat more food if you feel hungry and stuff, but eat the right food. And again, make your evening meals, double them up so then they can be leftovers for the next day. So again, you're not cooking multiple times, you're just cooking once for 2 meals, which actually really saves a whole lot. And like I said, especially try to pick the 10 days where you're not going to have to be forced to go out to eat, because I guarantee anything on a restaurant menu, probably 99% of it is not going to be detox friendly. So just make sure you can do it on days that you're not traveling and stuff. And that's why some of our detox programs that have shakes involved in it is actually a whole complete meal and a shake, which makes it really traveling and stuff but very easy and very effective. So those are some ways as far as even food prep to even maximize your results. Now, one thing that people do for a detox, one of the actual side benefits, or maybe the carrot on the other end of a detox that people look for, is actually some weight loss. And if you just follow the program exactly as we laid out and stuff, the typical person loses anywhere between 5 to 8 pounds during a detox and stuff when you do it for 10 days and stuff. And again, most of that's just the inflammation being passed out of your body. But if you want to go to that next level and actually try to get to that 10 to even 12 to 15 pounds, which I've seen done on a regular basis, again, you have to add a couple extra little tools. We talk a lot about intermittent fasting, where basically you're just skipping breakfast, eating maybe lunch a little bit later around 1 or 2 o'clock, and then eating an evening meal between 6 or 8. So that means from 8 o'clock till the next day at 1 o'clock, you're not really eating anything. That helps supercharge the weight loss. That just really changes, again, glycemic loads. That changes how your body processes different foods. It changes it from consuming glucose to consuming fat, and it actually helps your body burn extra fat. So it's actually beneficial to do intermittent fasting. And then also, if you include a day of fasting, a complete 24-hour or 48-hour fast in the middle of it, you're going to feel even much better and actually lose even more weight. Some people also too, is depending on the program and products, if you have a shake, is just use that as a meal replacement for at least 1 or 2 of your meals during the day and stuff. So that just basically replaces it. The other thing is try to limit the number of fruits you're eating. Fruits are very sweet. Fruits have those sugars in it and stuff. So if you're making your smoothies in the morning, don't put a lot of fruit in it. I say you really only want enough just to tint it. So put just enough fruit in it for just a little bit of flavor and stuff, probably half a cup at the least, or at the most and stuff for your fruit is what you want to do. And most of it should be vegetables. And also thin it with a little bit of water. I'm not a big milk person. I'm not a big cream person, anything else and stuff. So that's a good way to make a fruit smoothie. I put that in quotes because it really should be more of a vegetable smoothie with a little bit of fruit. And then last but not least is when you're making smoothies, make enough for 2 days. That's what I do with mine. So I don't have to drag out the blender every day. So just make a little extra, put the extra one in the refrigerator, and that would be good to go for the next day. The other thing, if you want to also increase your weight loss and stuff, try to pick vegetables that are in the lower glycemic index scale. That's the number of sugars in them. So we all know peas, sweet peas and stuff are very sweet, but they're very high in sugars. If you go things more like broccoli and cauliflower and kale, very low in sugar. So those are the ones that are actually going to be better for you. So all you have to do, if you have any questions, just Google it, glycemic index for vegetables, and it's going to pull up the ones that you should know. Fruits are going to be much higher. There are a few fruits that are a little lower. Things like avocados and stuff are actually a fruit and stuff, very low glycemic index. Blueberries are very low, raspberries and stuff are very low, but strawberries, bananas, very high. So you want to kind of, again, limit those. So those are ways and stuff, the less sugar your body's consuming, even natural sugars, is going to actually help your body stimulate the weight loss. Once you experience the benefit of a true detox, which I know you will, I really highly recommend that you do it at least once or twice a year. If you have really severe symptoms, it's hard for you to detox, you have a lot of toxins that are pulled out and stuff, I say that's probably the reason why you need to do detox actually probably sooner than later. Some people even recommend in 30 days or even 90 days the most to actually go through another one if you have a lot of severe symptoms that actually have it. Like I said, those are the rare people. Or on the other hand, if you feel really good, like I said, if it's like this big life-changing event, you dropped all this weight and you're just feeling so healthy and so well like most people might do, why do you want to wait again until it gets really bad to do a detox? You might want to do one twice a year. I know I do one every January, and I also do another one in the fall time. You might even want to add a summertime in there. They're super easy, super simple. Just get you back on track to actually eating well and feeling well. So that's what I recommend to do it. And like I said, what we do in our office is we try to switch up our detox products that we are featuring just to give you a little variability. Also, each one works a little different in your body. So we're always looking for something different. So every time you would do one, you would have the option of probably doing something different. Or if there's one you really liked, you can stick with it. So either way, it would actually be fine with us. But just do it on a regular basis and do it again, do it again, do it again, like I have for the last 15 years. And every time I do it, I just keep getting better and better results out of it and feel so much better by doing it. The last thing I want to speak about is a different add-on to your detox program. The more toxins you can pull out of your body, the better and beneficial it would be for your health. So we have a special technology that we use in our office for a while now that we're just getting tremendous results. And its really claim to fame and stuff is it actually energizes your body, but it also is one of the best detoxers of your body. I know when I first used it, I was amazed and stuff of actually how sore my body was the next day, how the toxins pulled out of me. And I've been doing detoxes for a long period of time. The technology I'm talking about is called PEMF, Pulsed Electromagnetic Field technology. We've been using it for all kinds of health issues, and it really works really down to a cellular level. We have people with arthritic shoulders, knees and stuff. We have people with digestive issues. We have people with mental health issues and stuff. They're finding benefits from it, from actually just pulling toxins out of your body, and it allows it to really heal at a much higher level. So if you're interested in PMF, there's another website on here. You can actually look it up through our Live Well website, another page on here. So just click on the PMF, or ask one of your doctors on your next visit, what is this PMF about? What can I do to do it? Typically, we do recommend to do a PMF session along with your detoxes and stuff. So usually we run like a $99 package for 3 sessions. That usually should cover your 10 days or a little more. Or like I said, it's something you can actually add on the end of your 10-day detox. So just let us know if you're interested in taking it to the next level. The detoxes work well chemically to pull things out, but if you do that magnetic field pulling of detoxes out of your body, then it really makes it a much higher level. So let us know, and then we can answer any questions you have about the PEMF.